Hey everyone, it's Marie from Marie Designs on YouTube. I'm here at the Tonic booth. I'm demoing some of their new things, so you guys get to take a peek at what they've got coming out. First of all, we've got some of these new trends coming out this year. Their first trend is Dream in Color, which is a lot of pinks and purples and blues. Over at my station, I have more of the trends coming out later in the year. So you have some of the sprays that have some more of the woodland, earthy type colors, and then we have some Christmas colors coming out in July, and then some blues and reds coming out later. We have all the bling. We've got glacier paste, we've got some of the stone drops, and then there's also some of
What's a stone drop?
A stone drop. These is a textured dimension to details and crafts. So if you squeeze a little bit out, it's got a little bit of texture. I don't know if you can kind of see that. Maybe if I turn it a little bit.
So it's different than the Nuvo drop.
The Nuvo drops, they're not as smooth. It's got a little bit more texture. So if you scrape it with your spatula, you can kind of hear and feel it's got a little grit to it.
Yeah, definitely.
So that will definitely be fun on like a background that you want a little bit of texture with, and they have those coming out in a bunch of different colors.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So the one that I just showed you was Fiery Volcano.
And then there's this other one called Dream Drops.
Those are the Dream Drops. Those are really fun. Let me show you what those can do. A little bit more opalescent, if that's a word. They have an opal finish to them. And they look different depending on which cardstock you put it on. So I'm going to squirt some out here on this white cardstock. And you can see that that's gorgeous already. Oh, yeah. And then if you squirt some on this black cardstock, it looks amazing, but it's a little bit different.
Yeah.
And now here's where the real magic happens. I'm going to scrape it out a little bit.
Oh, pretty.
And it looks like a totally different color.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that was the pink, but on this black cardstock, it's got a bluish purple kind of look, and it's got that glimmer in there. So those are coming out in some fun new colors. This one that I just showed you is Love Potion, and that's coming out in February.
And what's this glacier paste?
The glacier paste is really fun. This one is, let me see if I can get a clean spatula. This one is my favorite color, I think. This is Sea Sprite. So you just want to grab a little bit out, and you can just, I'll just scrape a little bit on there. Look at how shiny that is. That is full of glitter. Very nice. And so I love this blue. So you can also apply it over a stencil and get a really nice shiny background to a card or a mixed media page or anything you like to do. These spatulas just spread them so easy.
Nice.
And they'll dry with a little bit of raised texture.
Oh, cool. So it's not going to lay flat.
Nope, it's got a little bit of texture there, so
awesome.
Really fun.
So this little spray stuff, this is what this is here, some of these things.
That's the spray.
Okay, so it's just to, I mean, we all know how things spray, but just to show.
Yep, so that's some of the sprays. Here's some of the other colors.
Very pretty.
Very pretty. And this is sprayed on watercolor paper. So that's going to take your sprays really well.
And that's what this is too?
Yeah, that one was sprayed the background, and then some of that metal paper over the top. That was die cut. And
and this is with one of your dies?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's
some of these dies that we have here.
Just lead into the dies now. Woohoo, good transition. There we go.
Absolutely. So we have these background dies, and they also have the frame, and they're all interchangeable. So depending on which frame and which background you want, you can switch them up.
Oh.
They all fit together.
So is that, what, one of these ones?
Yep, that's what that one is. That one goes with this die.
Okay.
And then they cut it out with a scalloped border.
So that's one of the frames that you can add to it.
Yes.
Very cool.
So those are all sort of mix and match. There's some dies over here. This little set that's really cute are some of these little tabs here. You've got a little paper clip that we've cut out with some of the metal paper.
Oh, how fun.
Looks like a real paper clip.
It does. Totally does.
There's also some book dies that cuts out the cover and the spine and the pages inside, and it can be embellished with all of these little dies that can go just perfectly with these books. So you see we've got some of those paper clips there. Add your little photos.
Cute.
To make it for a new baby.
Yes.
Or, you know, any kind of album you might want. So
Oh,
here's
nice
one
big
that's
album.
even bigger. So you can make it any size you want. Here's some of those little tabs that you can add on.
Yeah.
That's some of that metal paper again with the in silver instead
Very
of gold.
cool.
So very cool if you're into making your own albums or your
Definitely.
own junk journals or anything.
Awesome.
Very cool.
Yay. Very cool.
Obviously, if you like card making, we have some of these sentiment dies. So this one says thank you, but they nestle inside of each other. So you can cut out just the little hello, or you can cut out the shadow.
Which is
and then
this one
layer
has the
on
shadow.
top. And there's been some designers that have gotten really creative and cut out the shadow from both of these cardstocks, and then they nestle that little hello
Very
right in the middle.
smart.
So lots of different things you can do.
Definitely.
They fit on a card that is horizontal as well as vertical.
Okay.
So they'll fit on your card no matter which
direction you happen to go.
So very cool.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. So we are here again in Tonic at Creativation 2019, which has the Tim Holtz, Tonic, Nuvo. We all love our Nuvo drops. And thanks so much for stopping by. So thanks so much for stopping by and checking out Tonic, which houses Nuvo drops and Tim Holtz. And we are with Marie, and don't forget to check out her channel. She is amazing. She has some wonderful card making and just like mad designing skills. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button, and we will see you guys again soon. Bye-bye. Stupid button.